Welcome to this explainer. Seriously, can our human minds actually comprehend the infinite essence of God?
Think of your intellect like a tiny scale. It literally just breaks under infinite weight.
Okay, let's dive into the ladder to the sky, connecting cosmic existence to everyday human morality.
Here's our roadmap. We're covering everything from the limits of the intellect down to unconditional goodness.
So, to make sense of this, philosophers divide all reality into three distinct levels of existence.
God is the absolute necessity. You, me, and everything else, we're just possible existences.
Now, let's look at the simple analogy of water to see how we actually perceive reality.
Physical water quenches thirst, mental water stays in your memory, but linguistic reality constantly changes.
Since our minds can't grasp God's pure essence, we actually use a metaphorical ladder to connect.
Allah is the pure essence, right? These beautiful names are just attributes describing that absolute perfection.
Basically, to understand infinite greatness, you literally have to start by accepting your own smallness.
But how does this play out daily? I mean, who actually chooses your destiny?
Well, there's this perfect balance between divine will and the limited human will we're gifted.
It's like being on a train. You walk freely between cars, but the train follows set tracks.
As the saying goes, wish so I may grant it. You gotta push the door first.
Okay, but if we have free will, why do we constantly face such immense, agonizing pressure?
Without pressure, carbon just stays as coal. But with it, it turns into a brilliant diamond. So complain about the pressure, and you choose coal. Embrace it, and you become a diamond.
This brings us to morality. Are you doing good unconditionally, or are you just keeping score?
If you only help folks who help you, that's just a calculated transaction, not actual goodness.
Unconditional goodness is done purely because it's the right thing, regardless of who thanks you.
Seriously, if gratitude was the goal, why would we ever bother helping animals or unconscious people?
Ultimately, returning good to people who actively wrong you, now that shows true spiritual courage.
Evil advertises evil, but your unconditional good deeds actually put pure grace back into circulation.
So will you stay simple, coal, or choose unconditional goodness and forge yourself into a diamond?